Hello guys, how are you? Hope everybody is well, doing well. So today I'm going to have a walk in this deep forest. It's you can see it's a deep forest. Wow, and very peaceful and calm environment here. I will not talk much. I want you to feel this movement along with me. So let's have a walk. So guys, this is a big area. Sorry. Now it's a large area to cover. I cannot cover the whole area, but I just want you to have a glance. And now I'm going back to the down there. So let's have a walk with me. People set fire in the jungle, and this fire is destroying these trees. They are, they have turned into black, and also people are cutting trees at a great and alarming rate, but nobody is asking them why are you killing, doing this killing and deforestation. Nobody's doing his job, honestly, especially forest department. It's a steep path. I there is no plain area here. It's a mountain area, and it's always steep, so you have to walk very carefully. But still, thank God, instead of, despite of the fact that people are burning and cutting the forest crazily, but still nature is surviving it. Nature is fighting with this cruel act, and still it's a deep forest. Alhamdulillah. Wow. Wild nature, guys, this is what I love. This is the ultimate nature. Guys, if I slip here, if I got slip from here, I will go there down, so I have to take care, and I have to walk very carefully. This is the cruelty. This is a kind of what should I say, killing somebody. Yeah, this is same as you kill some human being. What is this, guys? They also feel. These are trees, they are alive, they feel the pain, but we human do not feel any pity. Wow, what a cruel nature we are. So guys, hope you enjoyed this relaxing walk along with me, and please stay with me if you want more, watch to more. Sorry, my English is not good. Please stay with me if you want more videos like this, and I will be back with some more interesting content. Stay with me, and please subscribe my channel, support me, and love you all. See you next time. Bye bye.